you asking me? Like, what do you mean did I purchase that? Like, from where?
GoDaddy.com or like HostGator, the actual name to your website, like the business name. Have you purchased the business name yet?
Like, did I trademark it?
No, the domain, the website URL, the name that people are going to go to get to your business. Have you purchased that name?
No, no, I didn't know I had to purchase that.
Yeah. So the site that you would go to buy your business name, your domain name is called GoDaddy.com. So what did you want your domain name to be?
Um, Maybe stable by Jeff.
Stable by Jen. So see if that's available. All right, Stable by Jen is taken.
By who, me?
I don't know who it's taken by. It's just taken. Are you looking at my screen?
Yeah, I'm looking at it, but like, how could it possibly be taken? Let's see. Um,
So did you buy this domain before?
no, I've never bought a domain, but I've like trademarked my stable by Jeff. But like, so like, for my big card, no, I never bought anything, a domain.
All right. So you can do Shop Stable by Jen. That'll work.
Um, Maybe I should just put the real Gem Marie.
Whatever you want. What do you want it to be?
Let's try the real Gem Marie.
All right. So you're gonna have to. I'm just searching this to see if it's available. You're still gonna have to set up your own GoDaddy account. So like Shop Stable by Jen is available. I'm gonna check out the real Jen Marie. All right, that's available also. So you have to go to GoDaddy.com and go purchase that domain name when you get a chance.
Okay. Put that in my to-do list. Thanks.
No problem. It's only $12. You don't have to take any of the upsells that they're gonna try to offer you. Just only purchase it for 1 year.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna go back to the site. So now you're logged into the back office of your theme. So I'm gonna show you how to maneuver and do things yourself. So
Okay.
first thing first is products. To add products, you select products. I just entered in some temporary products for right now. If you want to add a fresh new product, you click add product. If you want to change or edit one of your current products, you'll click the product, the blue link. You'll go to the product and you can edit the details. You can edit the description. You can edit the images, edit the price. You can edit the variants. So for instance, this one probably has multiple sizes, right?
Multiple what?
Sizes.
Yeah.
So I would just click variants and it says this product has multiple options like different sizes and colors. So I hit small, enter, medium, enter, large, enter, extra large, enter, 2XL, 3XL, enter, 4XL. What does it go up to?
It goes up to 3XL.
Alright, so if I don't want 4XL, I just click the X. And then I can save it. Now if I want to add an additional variant, I can click add another option and then it'll give me an option to do color. So if I wanted it to be black, enter pink, enter yellow. So now they can click the size and then they can click the color. Now there's two ways you can do color. You can have each color as an individual product, or you can create one product and create it with variants. Whichever you prefer.
This way right now is creating one product with
multiple variants.
2 different colors. Okay.
So would you prefer to have it as a separate product where they can click it and it's like red waist trainer? Or do you want them to click one product and it has multiple colors?
One product, multiple colors.
What are the colors?
No, right now I only have green.
You don't have green?
Yeah. I'm getting pink, but right now I only have green.
Alright, so there's no need to,
Yeah.
there's no really need to, well I guess,
I mean, it's nice to know how to do it.
Alright, so you're gonna get pink back?
Yeah, so I guess for right now, people just do sold out, right?
Yeah, so you can just do sold out. So green, pink, because they're gonna, boom, I guess we need to do track quantity. But since it's sold out, you have to click track quantity.
Okay.
Since you have one that's sold out. So then all the pinks you have to leave at 0, and then all the greens you would do a different size. I mean a different whatever amount you have.
Okay.
Alright. So if it's just 5, then you'll skip that. And 5. Then you skip all the pinks. So you go down here and enter how many quantity you have in for each one. Alright, and then you save it. And that's how you create a product. The fastest way to create a second product is to select duplicate. You select duplicate, and then it says copy a waist trainer. And actually, do you want to duplicate product images also? So you can name the new product. So I can do waist trainer 4. Click duplicate, and then it duplicates the images along with the description and along with the variants. So now it makes my life easier, so I don't have to do all of this over again. Alright. Now here is a pro tip. This is a very important pro tip. If you want to add an additional variant, like an additional size or an additional color, it's harder trying to go here and edit and add. It's almost impossible to do it this way. It's actually faster to just click this box here, click more actions, and delete all of these variants, and then do it the other way that I just showed you, where you just enter it all at once at the beginning. So because it's harder to, let's say if I wanted to do yellow, I would have to do yellow small, yellow medium, yellow L, yellow XL, yellow 2X. I have to do each one versus just getting it, oh well, not that way, versus just deleting it, all of them like this, deleting all the variants, letting it delete, and then clicking add variants, and then it's faster for me to just do it like this. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. So like I said, it's faster to see, can see what I'm doing?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, so it's faster to just do it like this, turn green, pink, yellow, and then now I'm done again. It's faster to do it that way versus trying to enter yellow small, yellow medium, yellow large. You just hit save again. So that's a pro tip. Alright, so that's how you enter products. Next is going to be how to enter collections. Alright, currently you don't have any collections, so it's products and then it says collections. So are you going to sell multiple collections? Are like different, like if you're shopping online at a boutique, collection could be rompers, dresses, you know, like hair would be
Like
categories type thing. Yeah, hair would be like maybe, you know, body wave, straight, curly. That would probably be collections. For you, do you have any categories or collections?
No, I'm always on one.
Alright, so if you did have collections, you would select create collection. And then let's say you wanted to sell PDF guides or like digital products. You would say fitness guide. You don't have to worry about putting anything in this description here. You select manual. You always select manual, and then you hit save. The reason why you select manual and then you hit save, after you hit save, it allows you to browse your catalog to add the products in that collection. So you can manually add them. You can sort them by best selling, alphabetical order, highest price, lowest price, newest, however you want to do it. You don't have to worry.
Okay, so like my plans, I can sell that.
Say it again.
My like workout plan.
Yep. So these are just those how you create where you create the collections. So you would create a collection that says workout plans, but you would still create multiple products.
The product.
Yeah, and then you will attach the products inside of the collection. So you can attach the collections two ways. The way that I just showed you there, by attaching it there, or you can go over here to the right, click where it says collections, and it shows you the collections available. You can attach it right here. All right, so this is how you do the navigation. Currently, on your navigation menu, this is what your navigation menu looks like. Doesn't look good at all. So,
Wait.
no, that's because I don't have it looking good. I'm gonna fix it. So right here is just you only have one thing in your navigation is one drop down. The way that you update that is you go back into your back office. You go to navigation under online store, then you'll select navigation. Click main menu. And this little arrow lets me know that I have something drop down under it. If you grab this and drag it, it's no longer drop down under it. So now it's right beside it. So if I save this, it's no longer a drop down. So here you see how it's a drop down. If I refresh it, it's just gonna stand alone by itself. See?
Okay.
But I want it to be a drop down. So I would basically go here and I would grab it and drag it to the right. You got that part? You got that?
Yeah, so it can be under it.
Yep, so if you want it under it. So if I wanted to add another item, I could add another item here, product, and I can have multiple products drop down products under this one word here, and I can change the name of this. If I don't like the word catalog, I can change the word catalog to shop. Or I can change it to wherever else I wanted to say. So I can save it. So now when I refresh it, all right, so you see how it's the drop down now, shop. All right, so that's how you change the navigation. To actually change this is all changing the functionality of the site on the back end. Most of the customization of the site is done on the front end. So I select the button online store, or I select the button themes. I go here to customize themes. And I log into my theme. Everything on the left hand side controls everything on the right hand side. So everything here controls this. So if I want to select setup instructions, I can click this and I can watch the full setup video, and the tutorial video is right inside of your thing. Literally click this and at any time you can watch the tutorial video. If I select loading screen and I select show loading screen, currently you don't have anything in your loading screen. So I select, I'm going to show you right now. So select, do this. So that's what loads when they first come to your site.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yep, now because this is a white backdrop, it doesn't look good on this gray because you can tell it's not a PNG photo. So the cheat code for this would be changing the background. You see where it says background color and background color 2? This one's white and then this one's gray. So which one should I change to make it white?
Make it, you want to click background color, the white one?
No, the gray one, because I want the gray one to be white.
Oh my god.
So I click that and now you see it's white.
Yeah.
Alright, I just hit save. So you want to save often. So now when they come to your site, you can have different animations. You can zoom in, it can fade in and up, it can rotate in, it can light.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yep, it can light speed in, it could hinge. So which one do you want to go with?
I want to rotate it. That was fun. Yeah, rotate that was fun.
Alright, you just hit save. Alright, then you go back. Again, slide out menu here. I select slide out menu. Now the slide out menu, and I select that. Oh dang, I pressed it twice. Did by mistake.
What does that do?
Hmm?
Oh, then you went to the home screen?
Yeah, I pressed the blue button and it takes me back to the back office. Pressed it by mistake. So I gotta go back into customize. Got so much stuff running on my computer. Sheesh. Let me cut this out. Alright, so slide out menu. I click this and it changes, goes to my slide out menu. So this is this right here. So right now I have it like a white and pink. You see this right here matches with this.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
So if I want to change the pink to white, which one do I select?
The pink. Right?
Yeah.
The option. Okay.
And now when I select that, now it's all white. So if I want it to be pink first, then white, I'll select pink this time to be number 1, and then white would be number 2. And if I click the menu, now it's pink and white. Alright.
I see.
If I scroll down, how big these links are, I don't like that, so I grab it, I drag it, and make them smaller. Just takes a second to load. Now it's smaller. If I don't like how, yep, I don't like how the way that it's spaced, so I just grab the spacing, make it smaller. Then if I'll, let me see, so check this auto add. I like to take auto add collections to menu off, so that way my menu links aren't duplicated. That's just a preference. So you can decide if you want to keep it on. So what it does is it duplicates the menu options and it shows twice. So I'm gonna check it back on and I'll show you. So boom. Click my menu link. Alright. So now they're closer, the links are smaller, but it's showing fitness guide. It's showing fitness guide, and I think I took that off. So if I select auto add collections to menu, because it's auto adding fitness guide, but I don't want it to auto add fitness guide. So I'm going to uncheck that, and then fitness guide is going to disappear because when I created a collection, it says auto add collections. So when I created the collection, it auto added it to the menu. So I don't want it to auto add it, so I just took it off. So now when I click the menu button, fitness guide should be gone. See? Yep, fitness guide is gone. Alright. And then right here, it's just in the back office of collections.
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
Yep. So if I wanted to put like an underline, you still looking at my screen?
Yes.
It says borderline. All I do is click that little button there that says borderline, and then now it'll give me a line in between the words. So I click the menu link here. And now it gives a little line. Let's click save. Alright, so now it looks a lot cleaner than it did before. Alright, same thing. Next step is notification bar. So right now I put double layer Neoprene's foot belt. So notification bar, you can click notification bar. You can make this say whatever you want it to say. You can have it saying stable by GM. You can make it say use discount code free ship for no shipping fees. Like you can say whatever you want to say up there. Alright. It's the same concept. I got it white, then I got it pink, then I got it black. So you read those words to me.
Read what words, yeah.
Here to the left.
Oh, the one that says background color number 2, notification color?
Yep. So can you tell what it's referencing here?
The background color is the area that's white that mixed with the pink.
Mm-hmm.
And the pink is the most dominant color in the background.
Mm-hmm.
And the notification color is the wording.
Yep. Yep. And then same concept, you go to logo header bar. So right here, I got your logo here. I got the logo there. Same concept. I can change the background color. I could change the color option. I can change the menu icon. I can change it whatever I want to change it to. So for instance, if I don't want it pink, I can just grab it, drag it to black. See it? Yeah. So all you gotta do is click around with these colors and play around with them. So like I said, the goal of the site is for it to be self-service and you can manage it yourself. So the story section is a little bit more of an advanced feature. So you can have all your content right here in your story. So they can click this, see their size chart. They can click this and watch videos. So the main tutorial video that I sent you. Hmm?
I can add to it.
Yeah, you can add to all of this. All you got to do is click add content, or you can click inside of the bubble and you can edit and change. So if it's a video, only videos can go in video bubbles, only links can go in a link bubble, and only images can go in an image bubble. So you see right here, read that to me.
Video image link.
So if I create a story, an Instagram highlight story, and I select video, then only videos can go in that highlight. If I select image, then only image can go in that highlight. If I select link, it'll go to a link and it'll click out to whatever link you link it to. So it can't be mixed together in one highlight.
Like, how do I add multiple things to one bubble?
So all I do is click, so for instance, right here where it says results, I click the arrow down.
Yeah.
And then well, this one is a video. When you see this right here, you know it's a video. So it's telling you to add an MP4 link because I've already selected a video. This one should be an image. So when I click this one, you see how it has all the images? I just kept adding the same image so it can scroll. So I just click here and I can add an image. Boom. So if I save it, if I save that, now I go back here and click this again. So now it has an extra story. You can. It's going to be, of course, a lot easier to do this on your laptop.
Okay.
Can you see it? So what I just added just popped up.
Okay.
All right. So home page. You got products. You can click home page and you can edit all these products right on the home page. So you literally can just drag and drop stuff. You can pick what you want to show. You can change headlines. You can do whatever you want to do to make it look how you want it to look on the home page. So if I wanted to change the footer, like right now the footer was plain white. If I don't want the footer plain white, I click footer, click background color. I can click pink. The whole footer turns pink. If I want to add to Instagram, I'll just what's your Instagram name?
The real Jim Marie.
I'll just do / the real Jim Marie. I click the link, hit save, and now they can click that and they'll be linked right to your Instagram.
I love that feature.
Yep, it's super cool. So like even with, we can do some cool things with like parallax. So I'm going to go back home page. You can add, do you have YouTube videos or no?
I literally just created YouTube, yeah.
So you can go to add content. Parallax. Select image. Sorry about that. So what I'm doing right now is just adding a little picture. I can type words right here on top of this picture. Right now the words are black, so you can't see them. So I click this, change the words to white, so I can see them. I can change the font. Just click a font. I can make the font bigger. And add a text shadow. I can add a button. select the pink. I can make them round. So once you watch the video, you'll kind of see, like I said, the whole concept of the site is that now everything, all the hard part is done. All you got to do is drag and drop information in. So I got videos and stuff in your banner. Yep. So you just got to get familiar with the theme. You have access to the back office now. It is, of course, some other cool things that we've added to that could help you with your sales. I'm not sure what type of marketing tactics you had set or planned, but I have a couple strategies that could help. I could send you over an email list of some of the services we offer, but for right now, you just need to play around with the store, get familiar with it, clunk your way around it, and once you've got your list of questions, you can give me a ring back and go from there.
That sounds good. And I am interested in the marketing information.
Okay.
So if you can like send me an email on what other services you provide with that, that would be pretty awesome as well.
Perfect. So I also sent you an email, and I'm going to send you the tutorial video just in case, because even though it's inside of your theme, for some reason people get lost and can't find it. So I'm going to send it to you again. But as long as you watch this tutorial video, you should be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of my screen sharing.